Hi guys, today I'll be joined with my fellow football legend.
Ish.
Yeah, Ish. And he is going to be helping. He won't speak too much because he's got...
I don't like to speak.
Yeah. And so we'll teach you how to make a beat. So first go to Splice, I think is how you do it. I'll give you the address, put in 3, 2, 1, and there it is. Now you can see. So what were you gonna say?
Hi, I'm going for a nap.
Okay. Goodbye. Go for a nap. Yeah. Okay. That was odd. So now all you got to do. So we're gonna try and make this cool music. So yeah. Now. Seriously already? So. We'll teach you how to do that. So first, let's make a cool beat because that has a nice beat, so we can go on all of these lines. So let's go all of these lines. So let's sing. Now. That's what we got so far. Now,
Can you make a fart noise?
so then we're going to add there, and then we're going to do that. So now it should sound like this. Now, we can just have that there. This. I can go through all the way.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
So that will go all the way through, but it'll stop there. That'll go there. So let's start.
Might want to turn it up. So not me, but I'm a bit deaf.
So
Yes, better.
So hope this video helped you to make a beat, and I'll see you all later. Bye!